Hi friends, I'm just about to go to the river and I'll see you there.
Let's go. Let's go and see how high the river is. Don't go too close. Go slow there, Ryan. Wow, look how high that river is. It really has been raining. This is the River Severn, where the Severn Valley name comes from. Look how fast flowing that river is.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Hey Ryan, look how high it is. Remember when we sat here, had lunch?
Yeah.
Well, look how high that river is now.
Oh.
Wow, that's amazing.
Dad, does that go to the sea?
Yes, it goes all the way to Bristol and into the estuary.
Dad, should we go back up?
Let's go back up. You mean up there to Highlley?
Yes.
Let's do it.
To